wish that I could fly away. Waited till I saw the sun. I don't know why I didn't come. When I saw the break of day, I wish that I could fly away.
She said we hanging out tonight, I said we might be. I texted back and said I'm out, strike three. She wanna fight me despite the probability of me going out. No Denzel, unlikely. I'm trying to give her all I got, but right now in this current spot, everything I got, well, it's really not a lot. No mistakes, no breaks, girl, I'm sorry, but I just can't stop. Now am I trading them lyrics for love? She got me floating high like the spirits above, trying to rationalize these rationalize and make her understand that plan that I have to revise. But when the clock strikes 2, I think about you in this dream that I pursue. In the time we could've spent going in on the track or out on the town. Damn, I should've went. Damn.
Out across the endless sea, I would die in ecstasy, but I'll be a vagabond, driving down the road alone.
Damn, I should've left it alone. Except for last night, you was expecting a phone call from me, but you know I got sidetracked, cause I was working on my track. No, it's not a reason, nor does it explain. I wanna bring you joy, but instead I always bring you pain to the max. Obtain all the facts, Jake Gyllenhaal, I'm praying that our train will remain on the tracks. But I'm thinking that it's getting derailed. I pay attention to the game, but never pay attention to the details. I wanna get you cars, maybe Palace too. That's the least I owe you, that's the balance due. She said, boy, I wish it were true. My one true love, well, I wish it were you. Goodbye, and have a good life. And that's when she left.